Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. In today's video I'll be showing how to cook yam porridge. Stay tuned. So I have my yam here. I'm going to be slicing, peeling and dicing it into smaller sizes. So here's my diced yam. I've washed it, looking very clean. So I'm going to set a pot on fire now and pour in my palm oil, and I'll be adding a bit of vegetable oil to the palm oil. So I allow the oil get hot, then I add my onions to the oil. I let the onion fry for a minute in the oil so I can infuse the onion flavor into the oil. Then I add my pepper mix. For the pepper mix, I blended scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper and some onions. That's what I used as my pepper mix for this recipe. I let my pepper fry a bit, then I add my seasoning cube to it. I'll also be adding smoked fish. I'm using bala fish. I've deboned and shredded it into small pieces. After adding all my ingredients, I just cover it to cook for a while. I cooked it for like 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I just added water. I added some quantity of water that is enough to cook the yam I've diced. I cover it up for it to boil before I add my diced yam. It's boiling now, so it's time to add the diced yam. I've poured in the diced yam. Now it's time to add some salt. After doing this, I cover it up for it to cook and I check it back in 10 minutes just to stir it a bit. After 20 minutes, I came back to check again to stir it a bit and also check how soft my yam is. I'm just checking with a fork now. It's soft but doesn't cook to the softness I want, so I just cover it up for it to cook again. So after like 30 minutes, my yam is well cooked. So I'm just going to mash it with the back of my spoon like I'm doing in this video. I love my porridge well mashed, so I'm just going to mash it well. Right now the porridge is ready, very yummy, very delicious. As you can see, I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. So we'll see you next time. Bye.